Okay guys, Offering9 here, and today we're going to be playing some Team Slayer and the Solo Challenge. We're going to be using the MK50 sidekick pistol only. Now to get 10 eliminations, just 10. You don't have to win. If we lose, it's okay. If we win, it's okay. I just need to get 10 eliminations. If we win, that's 20%. So yeah, and it was pretty epic. So make sure you watch till the end and see what happens. And let's hop into it. Oh, okay, Team Slayer. Let's hope this is possible. So we only need to get 10 eliminations. So yeah, hopefully I've tried this, but I got it for it.
Kill everything that moves and try not to die.
In iOS, and I was mad. I can't use any of this stuff. I can't use grenades. Nothing. Just this. Like, I can't even punch someone.
Taking fire.
I punch a lot.
Active camo inbound.
I do. Sally, I'm doing for wow! I just punched me. I hate that pistols take like 10 shots to kill someone and then punching too. Like, punching is more efficient than pistoling. I just like punching.
Grenade out!
Wait, why am I not doing this with punching? Probably because that would sound real. That would be maybe that would actually be harder.
Targets are over there.
I got killed! Oh, I killed him! Sweet! Okay, I need 9 more kills.
Tagged one!
You see their absolutely body.
Frag out!
Okay, like you need to come back. Okay. You know what comeback means? That means that I have more time. Damn, it did him, I punched in him. Okay, 2 kills. I didn't even punch though, I just went back now. But I didn't attack, I didn't hit.
Enemies hurt.
2 kills out. 8.
Enemies on me!
Active camo inbound.
No! Kill him! What? That's not
Taking
fair!
damage!
I got 1 HP with the pistol and he murdered him! I can't use this out, I can't do that. I can't tap him for 1 HP and then kill him.
Another one down!
Okay. I'm not counting this though. I said.
Enemies hurt! Over there! Cross
Yeah, I can do that. That's so
Aim, Spartan.
So, and he punched me. Hey, we're coming back though. So that was my 3rd one, right? Yeah. That's it. Okay.
They're close!
I need.
Taking fire!
I have 3 eliminated. This guy doing pistol?
Down!
I need 7 eliminated.
S7 sniper inbound.
Enemies
Oh,
on me!
assist! Dang it, I have 2 assists this game.
Active camo obtained.
And I'll show you
S7
guys
sniper
after 2
available.
Make sure. I need 7 more eliminations. Also, you guys. Okay, I need 4 more. I need 6 more. So I have.
Get the lead!
Okay. Let me. No! Why is everyone killing me? I always get in line.
Watch my back!
Not really. I'm kind of switching. Okay, I need 6 more. Okay. Oh my gosh. I didn't die. Why?
Inbound.
How? What gun is that? I need 6 more eliminations, so yeah. Okay, someone is
Active
currently
camo
invisible.
available.
Someone is currently invisible. I don't like it.
Targets are over there!
So I'm just gonna walk around. How I see an enemy. And kill. And now I need 5 kills. Halfway there. This isn't that hard. Oh, okay. So yeah, this isn't super hard. Remember, that wasn't my kill, sadly.
They're under us.
Oh, come on. That wasn't even.
Enemies on me.
If this video gets 50 likes, everyone has to hit that like
Watch my
button.
back.
Guys, hit that like button. 50 likes. I will do this so after
close.
not 10. After win a game.
Drop
Goals with
wall
the sidekick
obtained.
pistol only.
Ammo reserves
I have a better
depleting.
team if I kill that guy. Oh, I almost threw a grenade. That was bad. Sidekick, that was bad. That was bad. Oh my gosh. Oh no, we're almost halfway. 95 kills. By the way, this is 20% of our kills. 10 kills is 20%.
Halfway to victory.
I really need to get 5 kills. Oh!
Enemies on.
4
Another
more.
one down. Tango's closing in.
4 more.
Over there. Hostiles in sight.
Wait,
Tossing a nade.
where the fuck are these grenades? Dang it.
Power items on
And I'm dead. Oh my gosh.
Over there,
3 kills.
hostiles
I need 4 more kills. I need pop off.
Taking fire.
Sad. I'm
Spartan
50
down.
sad.
Power items on the field.
They can't just call it pistol. Okay, you know what? That was the time.
Got him.
I'm gonna use C. Yes! 3 Marlins. There's a guy over here.
Taking damage.
Two more.
Low on ammo.
Taking fire.
I saw one.
Eyes up.
Discover? Okay. 2 more limbs. Oh, no. Trade. Come on, I need 2 eliminations. 3 7 limbs.
5
Oh, no.
minutes remaining.
5 minutes, I need to get 2 limbs.
Grenade out.
Dang it, I got 2 limbs, 2 limbs, come on. Oh my gosh, this is stressful. I need to get 2 eliminations. I think. I really hope it's 2. I would love if it's 2. I would like it more if I finish.
Out their shields.
No, I was an assist. This is not bad.
Nearing victory.
No, we have 40 kills. I need to get these kills. 2 kills. This is bad. The one time you don't want to win. Well, I do. Oh my gosh. 2 limbs.
Active camo inbound.
4 minutes, 2. Die, no! Come on! No, we need 6 more limbs. No, no, no. 2 limbs. I need to get 2 of these limbs. I need to get 2 of these limbs. I need to get 2 eliminations.
Plasma grenades obtained.
Taking fire.
No, I saw! No, we need 4 kills. This is bad.
Another one down.
We need 4 kills. We literally need 4 kills. That's bad. It's bad when we need kills. That would be.
Lost a teammate. Grab the drop wall. Knockback's mine.
S7
No
sniper
one else
inbound.
assist.
Watch my back.
Back, guys.
Tossing a nade. Enemies hurt.
S7 sniper available.
I need 1 kill. I need 1 kill.
Got him.
No, don't kill him.
Defeat.
No! Oh, we might have gotten it. Oh no, come on. Did we get the 10 kills? We didn't win though. No. Let's see if we even got 10 kills. We have to. Ah. We got 10 kills though. What was? Did we get 10 kills? Yes! We got 8 assists. 10 kills. Oh my gosh. We didn't win, but you gotta say, this video gets, so at 10 likes in this video, I'll get a dub and get 10 eliminations. And then, if we get 50 likes, I'll do this. I'll have to get a dub with the sidekick pistol, and then in a solo. So by myself, I can get 10 eliminations. So that's just our pickle. Okay, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Hit that like button for upcoming videos, and see you all next time.